friends. So today I'm going to make a really popular Bengali style another vegetable dish. It's called Aloo Posto. It's very famous and very delicious. So to do that, I need potato, gourd or Zhinga, and some spices, which I'll show you on the next step. So I cut two pretty big gourd or Zhinga into small pieces, as you can see. Probably about little over 1 kilogram, and then I cut three medium-sized red potatoes into small cubes. I pre-boiled it so it doesn't take too long. And then on the dry spice for saute, we need kalonji or onion seed, and red whole chili and bay leaves, and I have Thai red chili on the side. I'm going to add this later on. Here I have 2.5 teaspoon of poppy seed, which we soaked for about 2 hours or so, and then we made a paste like that. This is the consistency that you're looking for. And we'll actually cook the whole thing with mustard oil, and I'm gonna garnish that with shredded coconut. Typically it's not done, but I like to make a lot of experience when I'm cooking. So like I said, this is the first time I'm cooking this. I have no idea how it's gonna look like or how it's gonna taste like. So we'll just go from there. Set into max bay leaves. And the kalonji. Start it for a few seconds. I'm going to turn down the heat a bit to 7 or so. Sorry for the noise. Turn the vent fan on. Now, since the potato is cooked, I'm going to add the gourd or the Zhinga first, and then fry that for a few minutes. Let's mix all the spices with the Zhinga. I believe I already mentioned that when I cut the gourd and Zhinga into small pieces like this, then I added 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of salt and 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So let me fry this or cook this for about it's quite a bit, so I would say about 5 to 7 minutes. After that, I'm going to add potatoes in there, and when they are cooked or cooked well or boiled, to check, then I'm going to add the poppy seed paste of the Posto, and then after everything is done, then I'm going to add shredded coconut and Thai red chili. Cover this and we'll come back. So after a couple minutes, and when you toss it around, so that it gets fried evenly, and just want to make sure that it's not getting burned or anything. Although I'm putting it in a medium heat. I think Zhinga is about 70% cooked, and I'll add potatoes in there. So I've added all the potatoes in there. And I will cover it again for about 5 minutes or so, and after that I will add poppy seed paste and shredded coconut and Thai red chili or green chili, whatever you have, and then we'll add salt and sugar as per your taste. So turn it down to 4. It's medium, and then cook it for about 5 minutes. So now it's about 4 to 5 minutes done. So I think it's pretty well boiled. I added some salt, about 1/2 teaspoon again, and I'm going to add this paste. It smells really good. Add shredded coconut. Looks good. Looks good. So turn the temperature to low, and then I'll simmer it for about another 2-3 minutes. And she's almost done. Here's how the final product looks like. Smells really good. I like the consistency. It's not too dry, not too much gravy. This is how we like.